Hi everyone, and welcome to the Microsoft 365 Security YouTube channel. My name is Ina. I'm currently finishing my degree in information design, so that means my job is to make complex data and information easy to understand. I grew up with IT. My parents founded our family business Sövec in the year 2003, the same year I was born. So during my studies, I support the company in the visual and comprehensible presentation of technical expertise. On this channel, we share expert-level security insights from our real-world experiences, covering, for example, password security and email protection. To ensure that our technical videos are accurate, we produce them visually and with digital voices in English. This ensures optimal quality when YouTube automatically translates the audio in many other languages. Thanks for joining us on this mission to make the digital world safer. If you find our videos helpful, please hit subscribe. Thank you for watching and for your recommendations. Let's get started for more security.